shadow by my side, 90 pounds of gentle pride. Zoe's nose boots snowflakes down, turns the whole white world to town. Paws go pat pat in the white, tail goes whoosh, what a sight. Eyes so wide, both big and small, snowy forest has it all. Snow paw prints side by side, giant dog and tiny guide. Zoe in the snow so deep, promises the cold won't keep. One small hand, one giant heart, never ever drift apart. Snow paw prints, watch us go. Zoe von Aber loves the snow. Sneezes, a chew, a snow cloud burst, makes me laugh inside my thirst for wonder only pups can show. When icy crystals start to glow, she rolls and wiggles black on white, a happy furry snowball bright. Then sits up straight and licks my cheek. This frozen world is ours to keep. Paws go pat pat in the white, tail goes whoosh, what a sight. Eyes so wide, both big and small, snowy forest has it all. Snow paw prints side by side, giant dog and tiny guide. Zoe in the snow so deep, promises the cold won't keep. One small hand, one giant heart, never ever drift apart. Snow paw prints, watch us go. Zoe von Aber loves the snow. You're my mountain, I'm your seed, planting joy in every deed. 90 pounds of loyal grace,